Thank you very much for staying with us. Now let's bring you some developments in the polity. The Supreme Court has reserved judgment in a suit challenging the declaration of a state of emergency in Rivers State by President Bola Tinubu. A 7-member panel led by Justice Inyang Okora adjourned the case after parties in the suit adopted their written addresses. Senior reporter Celestina Iria reports.
The plaintiffs in the suit are the attorneys general of 10 states, while the defendants are the federal government and the National Assembly. At the commencement of proceedings, the 5th plaintiff, Delta State, withdrew from the suit, a move that was not opposed by counsel for the federal government, Lateef Fagbemi, senior advocate of Nigeria. Counsel to the plaintiff, Eyitayo Jegede San, while adopting his brief of arguments, explained that the suit was not a challenge to the president's power to declare a state of emergency, but a contestation of the extent to which such a declaration could affect the offices of governor, deputy governor, and the State House of Assembly. Responding, the Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi, argued that there was no procedural threat in the proclamation process and the plaintiffs had failed to prove otherwise. He further noted that Rivers State was engulfed in a political crisis involving the governor and the executive arm of government, prompting the president's intervention. The AGF added that the governor, deputy governor, and members of the State House of Assembly were not removed but only suspended as part of the extraordinary measures taken to restore order in the state. Mr. Fagbemi maintained that the president had not only the authority but also the duty to act as he did in declaring the state of emergency, urging the expert court to dismiss the suit in its entirety. Counsel for the National Assembly, Charles Yohila, aligned himself with the AGF submission and also prayed the court to dismiss the case. After hearing all arguments, the Supreme Court reserved judgment to a date to be communicated to all parties. Celestina Iria, TVC News, Abuja.